With the condition of hard water in most parts of our country, hair fall and skin issues are a common problem. That's where this Symphony geyser is coming in handy. Before we start, I'd like to highlight that Symphony gave me access to the product to test. But like always, the review, the pros and cons are all based on my own experiences and opinions. Let's do a few tests to see if it really works. Starting with the hardness level test. I'm going to use a hardness test kit. Let's first test the hardness level of my tap water. My water source is mixed, municipal and borewell. So on the screen you can see the hardness level as of today. It could be very different on another day. Now let's test the hardness level of the water from the Symphony geyser. On the screen, again, you can see the hardness level of the water post softening by the geyser. So as you can see, the water hardness has reduced considerably, which is good. Symphony has also tested this from an independent agency. Now let's understand how this water softening works. This Symphony geyser has a Puropod filtration cartridge to reduce the water hardness level. It is a 9-layer multi-stage cartridge that helps to filter out sediments and chemicals as well as treats hard water. This replaceable cartridge is included when you purchase the geyser, and an extra cartridge is given for free too. The cartridge needs to be replaced periodically and it costs around $13.50 at the time of making this video when it is purchased directly from Symphony. The geyser will continue to work if you choose not to replace the cartridge. Just the water softening will not happen anymore. This Symphony Spa geyser also has a smart bath controller, using which we can set the desired temperature from 40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius. If we choose to use the water only from the geyser and not mix it with ambient water from the tap, we can set it to a lower temperature of around 50 degrees Celsius or so. If not, we can set it to a default high of 75 degrees Celsius. This smart bath controller is a wireless remote control for the geyser. It is a splash-proof unit that can be used to set a timer, set the target temperature, enable or disable the child lock as well. It also has an emergency torch light. As you can see, the smart bath controller can operate from a distance of about 20 feet as well. The geyser receives updates from the smart bath controller and gives voice alert when the water is heated to the desired temperature, water ready, when the geyser is turned on or off, when the cartridge replacement is due, or when there is an error and a technician needs to be called. Now, can the geyser work without the smart bath controller? Surely it can as a regular geyser without the customizations that we already spoke about. Now let's talk about the build and the design of this geyser. This is the Symphony Spa 2000 watt 25 liter geyser. So it is ideal for medium to large families, or if you use the shower instead of a bucket for bathing. For better control of your geyser, it has an easy-to-access smart bath controller. To support differential pressure in high-rise buildings, it withstands an 8-bar pressure. To retain water for a longer period of time, it has a PUF insulation. To prevent accidental mishaps, it has adequate safety features like overheat protection, high-pressure protection, a shock-proof body, and a child lock to prevent accidental burns. For better durability, efficient heating and protection against corrosion, it has a Titanium Pro glass-lined coated tank, a magnesium anode rod and an Inco alloy glass-coated heating element. To reduce your electricity bills, it is rated with a BEE 5-star energy efficiency. To notify you when the water is set to the desired temperature, there is a voice notification from the geyser. Water ready. Now this Symphony geyser solves real problems that we are dealing with: hard water inflicted hair loss and skin issues. It is available in a 10, 15 and 25 liters capacity. So you can choose one based on your family size and bathing patterns. This 25 liter geyser costs around 15,000 at the time of making this video. Definitely slightly higher than other budget models, but the higher upfront cost is offset by lesser stress about hair and skin problems and longer lifespan of the geyser due to managing hard water better. With a 2-year warranty on the product, 3 years on the heating element and 7 years on the tank, we can be rest assured of its quality. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.